Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're probably thinking, bitch, what are you doing right now? Why are you on the floor? I'm gonna explain it to you in like 2 seconds. As you can see, this isn't my normal setup. I'm sitting on the floor right now, and you're probably gonna see a lot of this one in this video, so you're welcome. Anyways, so why I'm sitting on the floor filming, one, my ring light was giving me trouble, so stop it. Anyway, so my ring light was giving me troubles, and today is the first day of Miss Aunt Flo stopping by, so I really just was not in the mood to put up my background, and it just wasn't happening. But like, this is my day to film, this is my day off, so even though I'm cramping and hurting and want to die, I'm here for you guys. So that's the long explanation of why I'm on the floor right now. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a updated brow routine video. I really hope you guys sign in. Today I am filming an updated brow routine video for you guys. I know a couple times in a couple videos I've mentioned doing an updated brow routine, but I've just never gotten around to it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. That's why my hair is in a bun, no other makeup on, because this is just about our brows today. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did color my hair. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell in a bun, but your girl is blonde now, like dirty blonde. All right, so long story short, updated brow routine. We're gonna do that. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my brows now, then please keep watching. This is the angle I'm gonna show you guys so you can see what my brows look like on the daily basis when I don't do anything to them. I remember I used to like hate doing my brows when I was like first getting into makeup, because I was like, it looks weird putting stuff on my brows. But now, like, if I don't do my brows before I leave the house, I go crazy. Like, it doesn't happen, it doesn't exist. Brows are just a must. If you guys have watched my very first brow video, you will know that I used to use the Dip Brow from Anastasia, the pomade. I occasionally will use that here and there, but for the most part I like to use the Brow Wiz now, which is so funny because I used to hate the Brow Wiz so much. I felt like it wasn't giving me enough brow, and now it gives me like all the brow that I need. So yeah, so I use the color Chocolate in the Brow Wiz. I know it's gonna be hard to focus on me when you've got this cute little stud back here, but just try, okay? And if I'm in front of the window, so he's currently looking at. We're just gonna comb up my brows because I like to see where I want to start drawing my line at, where my natural brows fall. How I like to do it is kind of similar to how I used to, like, I did my brows before, where I like to start on the bottom. So I just go right underneath and I do small strokes. And I just literally follow my natural brow. And take it just lightly into the end of my brow. So I usually like to go, my natural brow probably stops like right about here, but I bring it out just a little bit because I like it to line up with like my nose. So in the front, I just kind of go upwards in little hair like stroke motions. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to kind of brush down my brow hair so I can see where my natural brow is. The reason I do that too is because my brows, when I let them grow out, they can tend to be like fuller, obviously, or thicker, and so I like to brush down so I can see where the natural growth is, because if not, I will end up looking like big old chunky brows, and I'm not trying to do that anymore. Connect it just like this. Get a little closer so you can see. So then I just go over top. To me, it's really all about connecting the lines on your brows. You just kind of pencil in the lines. Just to let y'all know, since this is natural light, the sun will be going in and out. I'm sorry, it's been a hot minute since I used natural light. They start to go like this, when they start to flow out, I'll kind of go the same direction. Like, I'll start up and then I'll float out. float out. Like that's a thing. Hi, mamas. All my animals are out right now. Out and about. I'm not in my room. I'm in the living room. This is the pool table, but we use it as like a regular table. Like we don't eat off of it, but it's just like literally just here. And Simon likes to chill on it, tear it up. Normal cat stuff. You get it kind of filled in. You really just want to go in and just make sure there's no gaps or anything. This is how it looks right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the other brow real quick off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I kind of clean them up in finishing touches, if you know what I mean. So be right back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the other brow on, so I'm going to kind of get closer and let you see what they look like just when I pencil them in. I haven't cleaned them up yet, done any like final touches, but just so you can see like the rough draft of my brows. This is what I'm working with. The magic world of concealer, cleaning up your brows. It's a lifesaver. It's a lifesaver. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion. It's so weird because I feel like, ow. It's so weird because I feel like because you can't see my mouth, but I'm over here talking like this. It's coming across weird. Okay, Sigma E15 brush. This has been in my collection since day one. This is like an OG brush that I don't know if I'll ever be rid of. Whatever, however you say it. And I lightly just go like this. And I just take it along whether I missed a spot or I fucked up. I just go along where my natural brow is. So where the pencil should be and shouldn't be will figure itself out once I go over this. Heavy duty, like I don't do it to where you're gonna have like a noticeable difference. This is also why I like to do my brows before I do anything, because I feel like if you do your foundation and then your brows and you carve your brows out, it's gonna be harder to like seamlessly blend that concealer away and you don't see it. I feel like with foundation on, you're gonna see it more. It's gonna be more noticeable. So I just kind of brush the concealer down a little bit in the front. Now, the old me used to carve the top and the bottom. Now I mostly just focus on the bottom because I find that you can still do the top, but I don't want it to look so uniform. It's just like Instabrow all over again. I want them to be more natural but still like sophisticated, put together, like I have my life together. So I try to mainly just focus on the bottom unless I notice that I fucked up pretty bad on the top, then I will. But for the most part, I just keep it on the bottom now. Ooh. Simon! Oh God, if he knocks this over. Simon! Go. Get out of here. Go. Damn it. Oh my God, he's gonna knock this camera over. Get down. Why you will not stop messing with my shit? Tell the people. Say, why won't you stop messing with my stuff? I still love you, but like, can you stop for like 5 minutes? Can you stop for 5 minutes? So the last and final step is I take my Anastasia brow gel and run it through on my brows. I like to kind of do them upward because I like the look of like the feather brow or whatever when they look really full and fluffy. So I kind of take the brow gel up. And so this is the final look with the brow gel and concealer. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed how I do my brows, if you found it helpful. Yeah, just let me know if you enjoyed Simon's commentary today. Let us know in the comments below. Give us a like. I have cat hair all over my face because of him right now. And yeah, I know this setup is kind of annoying. It's not the best quality. I'm sorry. And yeah, make sure you leave any comments down below. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I'm going to stop telling you what to do now. Have a good day or night wherever you are. I love you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!